Hi, I'm Robbie Wilson Fox, and I graduated in the class of 1984. I'm a proud graduate of the 1980s, which is arguably the best decade to have been a Maryland Terrapin. Here at University of Maryland, we care about you as students, we care about you as athletes, and we care about you as people. I guess I would really like to know that the students are leaving here feeling better about themselves than when they came, and that they have a better sense of who they are as people and not just as a student athlete. I would hope that athletes would see this as an opportunity to better themselves on the field, on the court, and in their lives. Sometimes people just need a space to talk openly and honestly and not risk feeling judged, but just providing space and some perspective and some encouragement. I think we're all looking for a little encouragement.